Hello everybody, Luke here once again. This time to take a look at the Welk Resort in Branson, Missouri. This is a room tour of the one-bedroom villa. There is 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms. There's also a studios, which are a little bit different, a little bit more modern versus this cabin almost look and feel to the decorating. But the features are actually fairly similar across the board in all these different resorts. So keep that in mind, or all these different rooms. So keep that all in mind. But we're going to do a quick room tour. If you could help me out though, if you're new here, help us grow this channel. Hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up. Doing one or both lets YouTube know you enjoy what we do here. So hopefully they recommend our video to more people. Hopefully we can help you decide if the Welk Resort here in Branson is right for you. Also, I'm recording this on my phone, don't have my camera with me, and we're doing this on checkout. Typically I do these videos on check-in days, or I do these videos as I am coming back after a room service. Right now, because of the pandemic, they're not doing room cleaning. You can request more towels, more things, but once you check in, it's kind of on you to maintain your room. I believe there is some request for some basic maintenance and sheets and that kind of stuff. Make sure you call the front desk to get details on that. But the room will be a little bit dirty. As you can see, a little hanger. My kids left here, but we did a quick pickup just to give you an idea of what it's like. So coming in the front door right here, to our right is a very nice fully stacked kitchen and washer and dryer. Nice stacked washer and dryer here, ironing board, mop, brooms, really everything you need to keep the room nice and clean. It's a very nice GE washer and dryer there. They do supply everything you need for doing the dishes. They have dishwasher tabs, and they gave us enough to do 2 full loads of laundry while we're here. We're just here for a long weekend. I'm actually in town to visit for meetings and decided to come in early and meet with some people here. And take my family to have some fun as I'm meeting with some people here. But they gave us laundry detergent, they gave us dish tabs for the dishwasher, etc. Also, nice little bench where you can come in, nice little mirror. 2 bar stools, a little bar stool top area. And then you have the little sitting area. I will come back to the kitchen and give you a little more detailed look at it once we come through. The living room does have a pull-out couch. You can see the bedding. They do give you bedding for that. We slept 4 in this 1 bedroom very comfortably. Nice big table. This is on wheels, so it's very easy to roll in the corner, get out of the way to flip out the couch. I was a little worried. I'm like, man, that's a big piece of furniture to try to move. It's on wheels, very easy to move. Gas fireplace, very easy to turn on. Just flip a switch. You also have a Bose wave radio, very nice. A Blu-ray DVD player, and then all the cable channels you could want on a very nice size TV for a room this size. Very much like the theming, the decor, very much of a rustic kind of lodge. One of the big selling points here for us was this huge deck. So you got 2 chairs here, nice table out here, a little ceiling fan out here, very nice. We're actually right across from the indoor-outdoor pool. Huge pool complex, very nice water slide, splash pad area, nice size pool, fairly warm. And 2 different indoor-outdoor jacuzzi, hot tub kind of things for people to sit in. Really did like that. Nice sliding door here and a sliding door in the master bedroom. Now, this is a very nice room. You do have a nice fireplace in here, a little whirlpool tub, king size bed. We have a baby with us, so we brought the pack and play. Very nice charger for your iPhone right here on the radio, which I really like, and another slider out to this patio. Decent view, nothing really spectacular out here, but I do love how there's just a walk path. We can go right to the pool there. Very nice size dresser, very nice size closet. We'll show you another one out there in a minute, and another TV in here. Very happy with this room. And you do have a very nice ceiling fan also. Come over here, check out the tub. Very nice tub. I said whirlpool, it's just really a soaking tub, so keep that in mind. But very nice fireplace. You can sit in the tub and see the fireplace. You can easily see the TV. Really do like what they did here. Now, huge closet. This little chair there. You do have a safe. You do have a closet. Some additional bedding if you want it. A little rack. One of those little tiny self-push vacuums. Really do like how that works. So let's go into the bathroom. Now this is a nice size bathroom. Did not skimp on the size of the bathroom. His and her sinks. Another closet here. So if you're using the bed out there in the living room. This could be their closet. Tons of storage here. Huge shower. So 3 different shower heads. You got a rainfall shower head and 2 jets. Very nice. Nice setup here on it. It's an open air shower, so you just kind of step in and go from there. You do have a nice makeup mirror, all the lotions and stuff, extra towels underneath the sink. Really nice setup here. And then you do have a toilet area in there separate, which I really like. Some nice hooks. Let's head into the kitchen real quick. So, full-size fridge, no water dispenser on this, but there is an ice maker in the freezer. Really, all of the cooking utensils you would ever need for a stay like this. There's even an outdoor barbecue grill, and they do have stuff for that too. So you can go out there and grill up some burgers, grill up some steaks, bring them back in. And then you get stuff like blenders, tea kettles, coffee pots, dishwasher. Like I said, they did bring tabs for that. Full-size oven, very nice microwave, toaster, all the things you could want. Silverware, spatulas, really, it's all here. Even wine glasses in here. You can see right there, along with the dishes, and more coffee was included. Very, very nice. Salt, pepper. Really, go to Walmart, come here, eat all your meals in here, save a lot of money. We probably ate about 1 meal a day in here just to help kind of, A, let the baby sleep, let the baby crawl on the floor and get out of his stroller, get out of his car seat. But B, it's kind of nice to save a little bit of money with that. So very, very happy. This is a lock-off, so this is the 1 bedroom, and there is a 2 bedroom. Together they make a 3 bedroom kind of setup. And then more as you go through here. Again, there's 1, 2, and 3 bedroom suites for you to pick from. I really do like this little dining area. I love the wood kind of log cabin feel to it. Overall, 2 thumbs up. My only complaint was trash service. You're supposed to put the trash outside. There's no big trash can or dumpsters out there to do that. At least there wasn't when I was here. And sometimes they picked it up right away. Sometimes they didn't. Sometimes your trash sat there for a little bit. Also, they are remodeling. This suite has been slightly remodeled. They have repainted it. I found that because some painter's tape was left up, and did some touch up on it, but there's not like a ton of remodel happening. So, and other ones, they're remodeling the exterior of the building too. So this resort is doing a nice job keeping up with it and keeping everything very well maintained. So 2 thumbs up, very nice staff, very nice location, easy access to downtown Branson, to the strip we'll call it, and more. So 2 thumbs up, thanks for your support. Hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, we would really appreciate it.